So I'm in Pacific, Missouri for a car show, and they also got a tractor show. So here's a 1948 Ford 8N, and it looks like it just came out of the field. But there's some other tractors that I want to shoot, so I thought I'd just shoot them all. These old Fords run forever. Add gas, change a battery, and away you go. But I do want to show you, look at this one. Not sure what year it is, but it's a Super 55 Oliver. Looks like another Ford, I was about to say 8N, but that's got a a 6-cylinder V6 in it. We'll get to that in a minute. So this one is in pretty nice shape. I've seen Olivers, heard of Olivers, but I don't know much about an Oliver tractor, so I can't speak from a position of strength when it comes to, really when it comes to tractors at all. I used to have a Allis Chalmers, I think it was like a 1951 or 52 Allis Chalmers WD-40, and it had pigeon-toed. It didn't have the wide front end, it was pigeon-toed. But there you can see the V6 motor, and sarcastically I would say those are turf tires. And it's got wheelie bars on it, so obviously you could plow a field pretty fast, I guess. We'll just put it that way. Oh, so over here, these are the pigeon-toed tractors. That's what I had. I don't see a wow. So when I was a kid, I grew up by a railroad track. This obviously sits here all the time. We call them putt-putt cars, and I don't know what motor they had, but they would, when they went down the tracks, it would just be putt, 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 and they would check on the railroad track. But that's pretty wild. So we got a Massey Harris, so I guess that's before Massey Ferguson. Little 4-cylinder flathead.
Well, if you'd have bought a John Deere, it wouldn't start right up.
What year is your 420?
56.
56.
That's the only year they were all green. The next 2 years they made them with the yellow stripes down the middle.
Oh, okay. Beautiful tractor.
It's a lot prettier than it came out of the factory.
No, I bet. They were utilitarian back then.
Yeah.
Just get it, put it to work.
And they didn't put paint jobs on them like this, but it's nice to have something restored to that,
Yeah.
to that level, you know.
Yeah. Well, it's beautiful.
Oh, I forgot to turn the gas on.
Oh,
I can do that right here, though.
there you go.
Yeah, definitely restored nicer than what it came out originally.
Yes. Good luck getting home. So just go around this Massey, and then we have one more, the pigeon-toed I wanted to show you. So this is a pigeon-toed as well as this Massey. And we'll see. So my Allis Chalmers had a setup where you could set the wheels, you could loosen the bolts and then roll forward, and the wheels would expand, go out farther to give a wider foot track to adjust according to the way you had your rows in your field. And then, wow, look at this setup. So this must, I don't know if this was a, I was about to say it's a planter, but I don't know much about these old, but I bet you that would keep the, when you turn the soil, it would hit that and keep your rows nice and neat. And then obviously you could adjust it. And so that's why they had the pigeon-toed back then. But you can see how that's pretty nice. So even though these things are old, they start right up, run forever. Funny thing about the Allis Chalmers I had, I looked in the gas tank one time and there was an old lighter in there. So somebody either was looking to see how much gas and they dropped it, or someone was trying to torch it and failed. But kind of interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna head back over to the car show. Just thought I would shoot these just because they're something unique and different.